Welcome back, everyone. Today I think we're going to draw ourselves a sloth. They're kind of popular right now, so let's get going. Let's start off with our first circle, and then we're going to draw another circle right inside of that circle. This guy's relatively easy to draw. A couple of good size eyes here. And we're going to do just a little nose. And a really just a small mouth, just like that. There we go. We've got all of the basics done. We're going to do like a little peek in here. There we go. Just a little bit of hair up there. And we've got them pretty, oops, here we go. Forgot this part. They have these things that go around their eyes. Go extending out like that. There you go. You've got pretty much his face roughed in. So let's take our pen and finish him off. Start there at the top. Go around. We'll do a couple little zigzags for hair. Same thing for his chin. Go around the other side. Same thing. There we go. Now we're going to do this little widow's peak here, if you want to call it that. And we're just going to circle around here. Same thing up here. Circle around this way. And we'll meet right there. Let's get the eyes in. Very good. Let's get the nose in. Fill that nose in. Always like to leave that little square in the middle for a little reflected light. Gives it a little more depth. And we'll just do these two little half moon shapes for his mouth. Fill in these markings that go around their eyes. And we'll fill these in real quick. There we go. There's that one. And there you go. You got your very own sloth cartoon. Erase those pencil lines. He'll be all done and ready to go. You have a great day, and we'll see you for the next one.